Like Minas Tirith, Camelot, or the Ire, a strong fortress protects its contents. That's why Fastway named its new coupler lock the Fortress. Keeping your trailer and its contents secure is important. You never want someone to make off with your boat, RV, or trailer. The design of the Fortress uses a hardened steel U-shaped shackle that can be reversed to fit almost any trailer coupler. The Fortress is easy to use. It has a front-facing keyhole, which makes it quicker and less annoying to operate. Fastway has designed the Fortress to have a smooth lock cylinder. And the lock fits any 1 7/8, 2-inch, and 2 5/16" tongue-type trailer couplers. The lock itself has a winged cover. This will keep dirt, debris, rust, and water out of the lock. This also helps in the winter, so moisture can't get into the lock and freeze it. The Fortress coupler lock is exactly what the name states. It's a fortress. This lock protects your trailer from being stolen, and even if they tried hammers, saws, or a pry bar, the Fortress is strong enough to take the punishment. If you're interested in purchasing the Fortress coupler lock by Fastway, check out our store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.